Migao mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen oyango ni sirkal biro riembo e tich apisa mag obila mibiro yudi ka donjore e ohand yedhe mamero ji kaunti ma Trans Nzoia. Jatelono oyango ni kaunti no ma Trans Nzoia ema otelo pacho ka e ohand yedhe go, kamano ema omiyo sirkal okawo ting' mar keto okang' ma kamano. Magi timore e kinde ma duolo mochung' ne kedo kod yedhe mamero ji na kada dhi nyime kod apedha ne yedhe go e kor gwenge.
From our security sector that some of our officers are culpable, and we will be dealing with them immediately, and we are not transferring anybody. They will be receiving their dismissal letters as they go through their court processes to answer why they are facilitating smuggling of drugs and the distribution of drugs and alcohol, illicit alcohol.
Part of ile makataa tulipewa na waziri, alituambia tuingie nyanjani tuanze kupigana na hii mihadarati. The operation yesterday was intelligence led na tunaendelea. Tumeshika suspects wawili na katika ile hali ya kuhojiana tumepata majina, namba na distribution centers zingine ambazo nikiwa hapa nasimama, maofisa wako huko kwa ground wanaendelea kufanya upekuzi.